Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this simple tutorial, we are going to be looking at the negotiation selectors in CSS. And this is the node selector and the language selector. So the lang. We are going to look at lang first. Let's say you have paragraphs or any markup that you'll be having on your website, and it has the lang attribute with a value of en, that means English, FR, that means French, and ES, that means Spanish. So this is car. This is how car is called in French, and this is how it is called in Spanish. But let's say you want to select the element or tag with the lang having the value of English. So what you have to do is very simple. Let's use the universal selector. So we want to select everything on the page that has the lang attribute of English, sorry, en, and then you pass in the properties and values you want. We can say make it color red. Let's refresh the page, and you see it is only the first paragraph that is having the lang with the value of en, so English. Let's say one select Spanish, just put es, and we will select only this. So those are the so-called negotiation selectors in CSS. So let's say you have many paragraphs with en. Let's paste it again. So with this universal selector, if we select all the ens, so every en will be having that red color. So that's what they call the lang negotiation selector. Let's look at the node selector. It's also very simple. Let's say we have our let's increase we have our h5s, and let's say I'm going to call this one Oston. I'm just going to copy it again like two times. Oston code Cypher, and we are going to give them classes. Let's say one, and this one with a class of 2, and let's say we leave out the last one. Oh, let's say we leave out the last one and save, preview it in the browser. This is what we are having. So the node selector goes like this. We want to target every h5 that we want to leave out the h5 which has the class of 2, and these are the properties we want. Let's say color blue. This is what they are going to do. So what they are doing here is they are selecting all h5s and leaving out the h5 with the class of 2. You can see the h5 that has the class of 2 is code has been left out. So we are neglecting it because of this selector, the node selector. You can say 1, and they will leave out the h5 with a class of 1. You can see they are leaving out Oston. So you forgive me for the noise in the background. So that's how the nodes selector works and the lang selector works. I'll see you in the next tutorial.